Good girl, Bridgie. Good girl, Bindi. Come on, Maddie. Come on, Papa. So we got Maddie. Maddie's a new little puppy today. And we've got Archie. Archie's a new one. He's loving it so far. Maddie's just arrived. She's just starting to run around. We've got Bindi. We've got a Charlie. We've got Poppy. We've got Biscuit. Too quick, Biscuit. You're too quick. We've got Teddy. Oh, you found your pig. That one doesn't squeak anymore, Bubba. It's lost the squeak. I know. I can see you trying to make it squeak, can't you? I'll make it squeak. Ready? Ready. Go. Good boy, Archie. Come, Teddy. Maddie. Maddie. Come on. Hello, little kitty. How you going, Archie boy? Hey, what are you doing, buddy? Good boy. You're loving it, aren't you, mate? You've been running around, haven't you? Hey, Bindi. Hello, Bindi girl. Hey, Biscuit boy. What you doing, Bubba boy? Hey, what you doing, Bubba boy? Hey, Teddy. Hey, Teddy. Hey, Teddy. Hey, bitty girl. Hey, bitty girl. Where'd the blue ball go? Poppy? You didn't eat it, did you? Oh, there's the blue one. Come and get the blue one, Papa. Go. Mum said that's your favourite ball, Maddie. That's your favourite ball, Maddie. Go. Bobby snuck in and stole it. Come on, let's go. Come, Maddie. Come, Maddie. boy. You having a sniff, mate? Come on, Archie. Oh, yeah. Good boy. Come on, Budgie. Come on, Budgie. Oh, good girl, Maddie. Good girl, Maddie. Yep, up. Good girl. Good girl. Maddie, come on, Bubba. Come on, Bubby. Up there, Biscuit boy. Hey, Teddy. Hey, Teddy boy. Hello, Teddy. Hey, Bindi. Hello, Bridget. Good girl. Good girl. What's it doing, Miss Maddie? What's it doing, Bubba girl? Hey. Come on, we'll go this way. Down here. Good girls. Good girls. Come on. Come on, Maddie. Let's go.